So, another night ruined. Actually, sometimes when we, we've learned certain environments make the hiccups stop, at least temporarily, so I can take a break. Doctor's offices in particular, for some minute I get near the doctor's office, most of the time they'll stop, not all the time. This is September 20th, 2019 at 9:16 p.m. I had done a video earlier saying we wanted to go out. My partner works 12-hour days during the week. We get never any time to just get out of here where all this goes on. And sometimes we can go out when I'm hiccuping, and it might be stopping in an environment just like bars, anywhere I get really nervous. I'm just not comfortable being out in public, so, but this is too aggressive. It's trying to go into choke, so with the burps and the multiple sounds, you start to learn after a while where trouble is. And then, so it's just going to be just a miserable, it's just been miserable and it won't stop, so, just, you can never make plans to do anything with anybody, especially with people, friends, or, I've turned down friends so many times, because you can just never make plans. And this is no fun to be around. And just, all of a sudden, this becomes the focus, or you try to pretend like you're not noticing it. It's miserable. It's it's like to be disabled, I guess. You don't necessarily fit in everywhere anymore. Or you just don't feel comfortable. I mean, this is a breathing issue, so, and God knows, it goes, there's so many different things, there's so many layers to this condition that, with the burping and the regurgitation and the reflux and the sphincters opening and closing and most staying open, so anything that goes in comes out. The breathing spasms when you're not hiccuping every multiple times an hour, 24/7, those are just constant. So when I say I had day off, I still have breathing spasms every 15-20 minutes. See, I'm getting excited. Talk anytime I get excited talking about anything. If I get passionate about anything, even when I'm pissed, it gets really aggressive. So at some point it stops me from even talking. So I need to be quiet. I need to stay still. To slow it down, just to make it tolerable. But then, if you have to be distracted from it too, though, so you don't hear it, because you start to get really claustrophobic. I start panicking, and that's when I want out of this body. So it's just a fine line. Everything is it's a 24/7 process, and you never know what you're going to get at any time. It's a surprise. Every day is a surprise. You wake up, to whatever. You don't know, and you don't know how long it's going to be, or if it's ever going to stop again. I mean, that's my biggest fear. That I won't get these breaks anymore, and then this is it. That's a big fear. So you're stressed. You're always stressed. You never know what's going to happen. And there's somebody else's life that's involved in this too, that you have to respect and appreciate, and not. We have to find a way to enjoy ourselves. So I take pictures of us, because outside or wherever, and in a moment, I can smile for a moment. It's important to try to live the best life you can with, what you're given. So, right now, I'm under house arrest in a sense. My body's at war, and gotta learn to live with it. Because nobody's doing anything for it. Sucks. It fucking sucks, man.